Hello guys, this is Tuija, and today I'm going to show you some website what I found about uh, three weeks ago. It's called Final Autoclaim, Autofaucet Dutchycorp space, and this what it looks like in cell phone. And I recommend you use this site with computer or laptop, Mac, PC. This is very hard to use with cell phone, but I always make these videos with cell phone, so today I make this video also with cell phone, so I can show this. This is Autoclaim faucet website, and there is this faucet. So that means that you put this thing roll and you get the payment. There is a different kind payment models. There is Express Crypto. Now it's under maintenance, so they cannot use it. And also Faucet Pay and balance mode. So balance mode means that your money comes to this Final Autoclaim site. And there, here you collect Dutchy tokens, and there is these Dutchies what cost, and here is the coins what you can collect. There is many different coins what you can collect. At this point I collect Bitcoin, but I'm going to change it to space. And then there is this CAPTCHA, and then start auto faucet. I don't have enough Dutchy tokens at this point. I have 670 Dutchy tokens, and my current level is 24, and you can level up your account and you can get much more Dutchy tokens when you level up. And when you level up to 20, you can start making surveys, and there you can collect much more Dutchy tokens. And at this point, one Dutchy 141 Dutchy tokens cost one Satoshi. Satoshi is a little bit smaller than Bitcoin, but it's the same thing what is the Bitcoin. And now I'm going to show you how you can get Dutchy tokens. There is offer walls, there is videos, Skippy ads, and surveys. Why this is not working? And there is also okay, there is today they have so many maintenance and update processes in this day. This is very new thing, but there is this offer walls, so you can take surveys and get reward and pay to serve. There is so many, and this opens level 10, one of these, but there is also more levels what you can open. There is so many of these. Most of these are surveys, and you can get about one 100,000 Dutchy tokens if you make surveys. I'm not sure how much that is in satoshis. I'm not calculated. And there's again, this is so annoying. There is this coin roll game also. You can roll every 30 minutes, and here you roll like lucky numbers, and there is this payout autoclaims. Skid row, and then roll, and you can make this every 30 minutes. Okay, I get 102 Dutchy points and 20 experience, and now I have to wait 30 minutes, then I can make it straight away again. And there is these pop-ups. Also, you can upgrade your membership if you don't like these pop-ups. And there is also this BTC wall. Here you can go these websites, visit, duration, like this pipe flare. Duration is 40 seconds. You stay in this site 40 seconds, and your reward is 114 Dutchy tokens. Let's see how this looks like. There is this this site doesn't work. So my tokens is 772 Dutchy tokens, and there is this calculator, and I have to wait this this amount of time, and there is about 50 of these, and you get experience, 50 experience every time when you make this. Then submit. Now it's open again. Yes, like you see, 140 Dutchy and 50 experience added to your account. Thanks for visiting. So there is so much more of these. You can make all of these and get experience like this way. And also what I very like about this site is there is this interest section. I already collect about 200,000 Dutchies. I can show it. Stake now. So there is all my Dutchies. I make almost 5 or 6 surveys yesterday, and also I can claim these Dutchies about every 2 hours. There is no available Dutchies at this point, but I totally receive 16 Dutchy points. And these Dutchies can use this faucet. It's very profitable and they pay immediately. Of course, you have to wait this minutes thing what costs Dutchy, and you get these Dutchies like making offer walls, surveys, BTC wall, short links, and all kind of stuff. And you can also see here different ways to earn Dutchy Autoclaim tokens and level up. There is short links how many Dutchy coins I can get if I make all of these offer walls, PTC wall, surf ad, achievement, contest, social jobs, toss game, dice game, PTC coin roll game. And there is my statics, autoclaims 882, my level is 24, total claims 8022, short link task what I made is 5, offer walls 15, PTC views almost 300, rolls 125, and at this point I don't have any referrals because this is my first video from this site, and I'm going to share this link to my description field so you can join also. And I like to remember you. I've been here about 3 weeks and I already get 200,000 tokens just making surveys, and you can open your surveys when you level up to 10, and this is very nice, and then your tokens like skyrocketing. And I recommend that in first of all you can save these Dutchy tokens, don't use this autofaucet, try to get a passive income stream, and then to start use this autofaucet. And you can also need if you don't want to use this this site, you can need Express Crypto wallet or Faucet Pay wallet, but you can also use this. I can show my balance. Loading. How long you are going to loading? So 3 weeks and I have 4 cents, but there is all of these wallets, and I've been getting this Bitcoin. So this Bitcoin is like, you can get these coins. There is a different section about this where you get directly get this coin. This is this coin roll game, and this month you can get Bitcoin. There is again this pop-up. Some point I'm going to upgrade my membership because I don't like those pop-ups. Roll. So I won this much Bitcoins, and I also get experience also, and now I have to wait 30 minutes. Then I can take this again. But this is definitely what you can try out, and use my referral link. I leave it in description field so you can use it. And also, if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That helps me a lot, and I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Thank you.